Next MCQ for second year student of Draftman Mechanical. 1 number. Which jig is used for dealing on the thin sheet? Option C, sandwich jig. Which of the following is jig made from a single block of steel of drill small workpiece? Option D, solid jigs. Next question. Which among the following locators is best suitable for location of a round shape of job? Option A, V locator. Question next. What should be the tolerance on jig? Next answer is B, 20 to 50% of the tolerance on the job. Next one is how is the clearance measured between matching parts? Answer is D, filler gauge. Next, which one? This is a externally fired boiler. It's 0.001 mm. It's not answer, but it's a Lancashire boiler. It's the right answer. Next, at what standard temperature the gauge stored in the section or workshop? 20 degrees centigrade. Why the option A is answer? Why a filler gauge used? Its answer is D, checking gap between matching parts. Next, why a filler gauge used? Answer is D, checking gap between matching parts. Next, why a center gauge used? It's setting the lathe tool at the correct center heights. Answer is D. Which materials is used for make the gauges? Answer is A, alloy steel. Next question. Which among the following causes first order surface irregularities? Option is B, lack of straightness. Answer B is the right answer. Next, which among the following causes first order surface irregularity? Option is B, lack of straightness. Next, which among the following is the type of direct measuring instrument of roughness? Answer is C, profilometer. Next question. What is the angle of beam light with the work in microscopic inspection? Option D, 60 degree. Next question. In which die cutting and non-cutting operation are performed per stroke? Answer is A, combination die. Next question. Which of these is a externally fired boiler? Answer is Lancashire boiler. Repeat question is. Next, which die is used for more than one cutting operation per stroke? Answer is C, compound die. Next, when a sectional die blocks is used? Answer is D, die block is too large. Option D. For what type of metal punching spring strips are used? Answer is A, very thin. Next, by which operation a cup is formed from a flat blank? Answer is B. Next question. By which operation a cup is formed from a flat blank? Option is drawing. Option B. What is the name of operation for making hole in a workpiece with the help of die? Answer is B, piercing. Next, the height from the top of the bed to the bottom of the press frame is called? Answer C, shut height. Next, which die is mostly used to produce the washer? Answer is a compound die. D is right answer. What is the name of the pipe pin provided for locating work in subsequent operation from the previously pierced hole? It's called pivot. Next question. Which of following engine incorporate with carburetor? It's SI engine? Spark ignition engine. Option A. Which of these is an externally fired boiler? It's next. Repeat answer question is type it. Next, in which engine spark plug is used? To petrol engine, spark plug is used. Option C. Which stroke is known as a power in four-stroke engine? It's four-stroke. It's third stroke. Option D. What is the air fuel ratio at the which a petrol engine cannot work? Answer is A. 14.7 Gem 1. Next, which one of the following controls the air fuel ratio of petrol engine? Option is B. Carburetor. Next, which one of the following medium is compressed in a diesel engine cylinder? Option C. Air alone. What will be the compression ratio in a diesel engine as compared to expansion ratio? Option D. More. Next, what is the roughly time of spark in a cycle? 0.001 second. Option A. The right answer. Next question. What purpose is served by routing? It's option A. Fill gaps. Which of these is an externally fired boiler? It is the repeat question. It's a Lancashire boiler. Which of the following is not a type of foundation of machine? It's a bare type. Option C. It's the right answer. Which bolt is secure the machine to its foundation? Option D. J bolt. Next, leveling bolts are used for. Answer is B. Adjusting the height of machine. Next, which one of the following statement about concrete is correct? Cannot bear tensile load. Option D is the right answer. What should be the weight of the machine foundation accordingly to the weight of the machine to absorb the vibration? Answer is D. 2.5 3.0 times. Next, what is the process of foundation plan layout? Option A. Marking out of the installation area. Next, why free space is kept around the machine? For operation and maintenance. Option B. It's right answer. How many type of machine foundation generally used? Option B. 4 types. Next, which type of machine foundation use a hollow concrete block? Answer is B. Box type. Next, the material of I foundation bolt is called MS or WI. Answer A. Next, which of the following is not a machine foundation? Its answer is window type. Answer D. Option D. Which is the shape of lower part of rake bolt? It's rectangular shape. Answer B. What material is filled in space around the rake bolt? It's sulfur and molten lead. Answer C. In which bolt a key is inserted? It's Levi's bolt. Option C. Which type of foundation bolts are used for fixing heavy machine? Its answer is Cotter foundation bolt. Next, what is the another name of foundation bolt? It's anchor bolt. Next, which foundation bolts can be quickly forged from the MS or WI bar? It's I foundation bolt. Option D. In cement grounding, what is the maximum of sand and cement? It's a 2-part sand of 1 part of cement. Option C. What is the other name of box type foundation bolt? It's a Kaizen bolt. Option A. Which of the following is not a foundation bolt? Nut bolt is not a foundation. Option D. Its answer. Next, which of the following factors ergonomics is related to human for? Option D. C. Comfort and safety. Which of following is generated ergonomics? Option is B. Psychology. Next, The most frequently used components are arranged in the location. In which location? Option C, D, center location. Next question. Which of the following is used for controlling the rotation more than 360 degree? It's called crank. Option B. Next. How much working area will be covered by the left hand for designing an efficient workspace? Answer is C. Maximum working area. Next question. Next question is, what is the full form of CAD? It's computer aided designing. Option A. Next. Which of these is an externally fired bowler? Repeat question. Which of the following is related to the 2D polyline? Its arc and line together. Next. What is TTR method of drawing circle in AutoCAD? Answer is tangent, tangent, radius. Option C. What is the function of insert block in AutoCAD? Answer is A. To insert preserve shape in current drawing. Next. Which command is used to cut a line in AutoCAD? It's a trim command. Option B. What is command is used to create a specific gap of a line? Next. Answer is option A. Break 2 point. Next. Which command is used to obtain command region to two intersecting parts in AutoCAD? Answer is intersect. Next. Which command is used for editing height to 2D figure in AutoCAD? It's extrude. Option A. Which command is used to arrange an object in rectangular matrix or polar grid? Answer is D. Array. Next. Which type of documentation can be created to draw in SolidWorks? Answer is 3D document. Next question is, what is the name of drawing when two or more parts joins together? Its answer is assembly drawing. Next. What is called when cutting the corner at an angle? It's called option B. Next one. What is the name of outside surface of part in SolidWorks? Its option is face. Option D. Next. What is the function of cut extruded features in SolidWorks? Answer is A. Material removal. Next. Which of the following features allows the material to solid in SolidWorks? Answer B. Features manager. Next. Which function will create a pocket in SolidWorks model? Answer is extruded cut. D. How it can be changed when once a entity has been defined in SolidWorks? Option is A. C. Editing. Next. Where Alter F command is used in SolidWorks? Its answer is A. For file menu. Next. Which one of the following can be seen first in part? Option under application. Option in a inventor. No new sketch. Answer is C. Which one of the following is a file extension in inventor? Answer is last. D. .ipt. Next. Which one is not the seen in draw toolbar in inventor? Answer is C. Axis. Next. Which command is not seen in surface option in model toolbar in inventor? Option D. Axis. Next. In which toolbar the free orbit tool is found in 3D modeling? Answer is B. Modify. By which features a cylinder can be created by drawing a rectangular shape? Option A. Revolve. Next question. By which all of the part drawing can be made visible in the graphic area? Option B. Selection filter. Next. Towards which side in the toolbar will be positioned the view of the 3D solid? Answer is SC isometric. Next question. What is the defined by the sheet format dialog box for creating drawing sheet in SolidWorks? Answer is C. Sheet format and paper size. Which one of the following is the default standard sheet format is escape threaded to the create drawing sheet in the SolidWorks? Answer is D. US default. Next. Which one path is used to add drawing items in SolidWorks? Option A, insert model items. Next, which icon is used to open named view dialog box in the SolidWorks? Its answer is new view icon. Answer C. Where the view palette opens to generate standard 3 view in SolidWorks? Answer is right side of the window. Option A. Which one of the following is correct task pane tab for view palettes in SolidWorks? Answer is B, icon. Now it is the icon of palettes, view palettes. Which one of the following is similar to an auxiliary view generally in SolidWorks? Option B, projected view. Next, which one of the following line is used to create sectional view of an object in SolidWorks? Next, section line. Next, which view generally is used to create a new drawing view which is enlarging portion of existing view? Option D, detail view. Next, which one of the following is used to create exploded views in SolidWorks? Answer A, configuration manager. Next, which commands is used to create animations based on mattes? Next, answer is matte controller. Option C. Which of the following is a matte used in animation controller? Option C, length. Next question, which command of following is correct in annotating holes and threads? Option A, click insert annotation and hole cutout. Next, which command contains the diameter symbol and the dimension of the hole diameter? Answer is D, callout. Next, which annotation tool is used to select a location for the first leader as well as many additional leaders? Option is A, note. Where simulation name appears in SolidWorks? Option B, menu bar. Which one of the following is not file extension for SolidWorks? It's .SLLI Option A. Which one of the following is useful in drawing orthographic views in SolidWorks? Answer is B, shaded cosmetic threads. Next, which one of the following is used for assigning the material to a solid in SolidWorks? Answer A, feature manager. Which is the computer-aided designing tool and software used in MS Windows? SolidWorks is option C. Next, which of the following is used to assemble two parts in with each other? Matte property manager. Next, option A answer. Next, where is design 3 in the SolidWorks located? Below from property manager. Option B. Which SolidWorks certification is popular? CSWP. Option B. Where is the command manager in SolidWorks located? Laptop graphic area. Answer is A. Which shortcut key is used to open a document in SolidWorks? Answer is D, Control O. Next, which command is used to provide bevel shape of edge in SolidWorks? Answer is B, fillet. Next question, which of the following is not included in inside built check tools of SolidWorks? Answer is D, detail document check. Next, what do you understand by a templates in SolidWorks? Answer is A, to open default setting. Next, what is the window that shows your thumbnail view of the whole e-drawing? Option A, overview window. Next, how do you create an e-drawing? Option C, click publish. Next, what action does the home command perform? Option D, return to default view. Which command perform a non-step reply of drawing animation? Answer is A, continuous play. Next question, What visual and helps you to identify model orientation in drawing? Option 8, 3D pointer. Next, which one of the following is not a for inserting a reference plane? Option D, go to insert reference to geo greater than circle. Answer D. Which of the following is the type of pattern in SolidWorks assembly? Option D, rectangular component pattern. Next, where the given command is used: open sketch, click tools, sketch tools, sketch pictures, browser picture, open picture. Option C, to insert a reference image. Now this is the completion of all 4 videos of MCQ of second year draftsman mechanical trainees. So I hope help your exam to you. Best of luck. Thank you.